sexy style. That's the way to go.
I'm sexy.
Look at that.
Oh, that looks so good.
I'm ready to eat.
Can I eat now? Oh, go ahead. You eat first. I'll let you eat first.
Ooh. That's a fire.
Don't talk with your mouth full. That's rude. And it's disgusting.
Not if you're a foodie.
How's it?
Delicious. You gotta get it the big sexy style. There ain't no other way to get it. The reason why? Because they put a little butter on it. And it enhances the spices and the seasoning.
Oh, can I eat now?
I'm over here trying to vlog.
I'm hungry.
Well, basically, it makes the chicken way juicier. Alright.
Yum.
How's it? I don't know. Think we gotta give it a try. I don't know about it. It's not yellow. So the mac and cheese is white. I thought it was gonna be yellow. Hell yeah. Shout out to Duke. Hey, what's that thing do, player? Tell them what's your Instagram. What's your Instagram, player? Mom?
Y'all enjoyed it, alright?
Alright, player.
It don't fit in my mouth.
Alright, so the mac and cheese, just from the texture of it, it seems like it's pretty thick, which is a good sign. It's not watery. And I don't know what kind of cheese they use on it, but it looks pretty good. Whoa. That mac and cheese?
There's something white on your arm.
Make you want to smack. It's mac and cheese though.
I like it.
It's thick. Babe. What happened to all the mac and cheese?
I ate it.
You ate it all?
Yeah.
I just took like 2 or 3 bites.
Well, buy another one.
Who's she texting? I'm trying to figure out who she texting. Oh hey, my boyfriend's in the bathroom. What you doing? Oh, she commenting too. She commenting on this pic? Oh hell no. What are you doing?
Hey, the comedian guy. Hey, the comedian guy.
Alright, so
Mine
what did you
smells-
get? What is that called?
I forgot. Yummy something. Yummy gummy.
The fuck?
It said yummy something. Yummy gummy. Look at the boba. It's green.
Alright, so I got the strawberry mango with watermelon bits.
You did like a custom one.
And, babe, can you pull it out? I really need it right now. The tahini.
Oh. I think I could put that in mine too.
Try me.
Ooh, I'll trade you.
You always gotta have a spare tahini.
Oh shit, sorry.
That's a little bit though.
Let it mix it and then. Cause I want some too.
Oh yeah, get some for you, baby.
No, I don't want it in mine. I'm saying I want some too. Like, I want some.
I could refill
I
it.
don't want too much.
Mm.
We need to go to.
Look at that. That's what we need to do. They got Pilates too? Is yoga Pilates? Or is it separate? Let me try. It's just like a gummy. It's like a gummy bear. You okay? I didn't do nothing. You see that? It's on camera. I didn't do anything. I just held it. Held it still.
What?
I mean, held it still.
What?
What?
What are you saying?
Held it still.
Oh, I thought you said hand of steel. I was like, what are you doing?
What are you saying?
I like yours because it's sweet. I like mine because it's gummy.
So, we could not record inside. Can't breathe. We got boba. We got fried chicken.
We're fat.
Now we're getting cakes. What's next? Open.
Hold on, can I record it on Instagram?
You can do whatever you like,
Oh,
babe.
she taped it.
Fuck what you thinking. Fuck what she thinking. Si se puede. Means yes, we can. Yes, you can open it. You can do it.
She really taped the shit. Can you fucking open it?
You got more nose than me.
I know, but it's not. No. Oh, I got it. I got it.
Okay. Oh, wait. Girl, slow it down. What that thing do? Oh, wait, check you out. You poppin'. Alright, I'm going in. I don't know about you.
Can you feed me?
You want some of the icing? Or she wanna lick the icing off? Cake, 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 cake.
Waste. You know how cakes are dry sometimes?
Say, ooh, boy, you like it. Cake, 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 cake. Oh, how's it, baby?
Oh, up.
Oh, I'm gonna get that to try.
Can you not talk like that?
Oh, wait, that's my action, baby. What you mean? Mmm, oh. Moist. Spongy. Not loafy.
Loaf?
You know how like some cakes taste like fucking loaf? This shit tastes like, well, not what it tastes like, but the texture is like a wet, soft sponge that melts in your mouth, not in your hands. Mmm. That's what I'm talking about.
Their icing isn't too sweet. I like that.
You know how like some icings, like when you take a bite off of it, it gives you like the chills?
No.
Or like, it'll make your teeth hurt?
That means you got cavities.
Now it means they use like fake ass sugar. I'm just kidding. Don't quote me.
That means you got cavities. You know when the icing, you know.
You know when it hurts your teeth?
Oh shit, you got freaking cavities. It's
No,
sugar.
it only happens when like shit is like super sweet.
You want more? I'm full. I wanna go shopping. It's very cold in it. Like, it's cold in there.
You not only been recording for a little bit, but like your mood just be switching like in seconds. That's crazy.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Do you have a split personality? Look how crazy you look.
Babe,
You look crazy right now. Oh my God.
Babe, I'm eating.
If you watch this clip,
Oh God.
if I replay this clip right now, you're gonna see how much your mood switches.
Moody
You
food.
might as well go to Moody Food.
I'm full, babe. Can you eat it?
Okay. Bye. Oh, what you doing? You don't know where you're going? You was zigzagging. You was like, what's wrong with you? You was crossing yourself over. You was playing ice skates.
Babe, don't lean on the car.
I'm not leaning on nobody's car. I'm trying not to get hit by this parked car. Fuck you mean? And I'm recording, so if I get hit, hopefully they got insurance. Oh yeah. What we got? What we got? Free drinks from this little booth right here. Alright, so we got Q Smokehouse. You already know if it ain't smoking, we ain't open. Oh yeah. You know what time it is, player. You already know. Barbecue sliders. 1 brisket, 1 pork. Let's go. So soft, so tender. I believe this is the pork, pulled pork. Okay. This is some real quality chips. It seems like they deep fried them themselves. I like to dip my barbecue chips into barbecue sauce. I don't know if I'm the only one. Ooh.
Oh.
I think I need another one.
You want another one? It's only $6. For all that $6, I think that's pretty good.
My favorite part.
Oh shit. Babe!
Like I said, if you ain't eating good, then you ain't living good, player. Oh, wait.